So in the last lecture, I have been asked you all to predict the answer for this question. How many of you got the answer? If you got your answer, just drop your answer in the comment section. Now, first let us see the solution for this question. Then we will go looking to the next one. Okay. So what is the solution for this question, sir? Given it is limit x is approaching to 0 and the given function is sine of 5 times of x upon x equal to dash. Now, if I will substitute all the values, see what is the value I am going to substitute? Sine of 5 times of, replace x by 0. So, when I am replacing x by 0, tell me what is the value of 5 into 0? 5 into 0 is going to be 0 only. Then what is the value of sine 0? The value of sine 0 will be 0, sir. So, 0 by 0. What is this? This form is called indeterminate form. Then what will be the answer, sir? In that case, take the whole function is f of x. Yes. So step number 2, predict the value of f dash of x. What is the answer? F dash of x means we have to differentiate numerator separately. Differentiation of sin x will give you cos x. Then inner differentiation, if I will differentiate 5x, that will give you one more 5. In the denominator, we have x. If I will differentiate x separately, that will give you 1. So what is the answer now? I am getting 5 into cos of 5 times of x. Now you can substitute your limit further. Limit x is approaching to 0 and the f dash of x function is what? 5 times of cos of 5 times of x. When I am substituting x by 0, tell me once again 5 into 0, 0. What is the value of cos 0? Cos 0 equal to 1. Sin 0 equal to 0. Cos 0 equal to 1. 1 into 5, how much? 1 into 5 will be 5 only. So what is the conclusion from here? I can say the next generalized conclusion is limit x is approaching to 0, whereas the function is given as sine of m times of x upon x, that will be equal to m only. Can I write like this? What I wrote here? Here I wrote sine 5x. If you observe, the resultant answer came 5. Now if you observe, if I will put m, then the resultant value will become m only. That is the conclusion that we can make here. In the same way, we also predict one more limit. What? When same function limit, if the x is approaching to infinity and it doesn't matter whether m is there or not, for this what is the answer? It is always approaching to 0 only, sir, undoubtedly. For this one already we made the conclusion. Yes, sir. Shall we extend our discussion now? Yes. Let us take one more question and try to figure out the answer for that question also. So this time I am expecting the answer from your side. Let us see what you people will do, right? So I am taking the next question. The given question is limit, as usual, x is approaching to 0. Value is given as 1 by 10 into, in bracket, 1 minus e power minus j times of 5x upon, here also 1 minus e power minus j times of x. That is the given answer. Now pause the video and try to figure out the answer by yourself. So let us see the solution for this question. I am taking the whole function once again. I am going to replace x by 0. So I am directly writing the answer. So if I am replacing x by 0, then what I will be getting? It will become 1 minus e power minus j times of 5 into 0. In the denominator, 1 minus e power minus j times of 0. What you will be getting? So if I will proceed further, it will become 1 by 10. 1 minus e power, tell me 5 into 0 will be 0 or not? Yes, sir, it is 0. So this whole value is going to be 0. 0 into j also will become 0. But e power 0 is what? The value of e power 0 is always equal to 1. Just make a note. Similarly, the value of, if I will take e power minus infinity, this will be 0, minus infinity. If I will take e power infinity, this will be infinity. Some things are very important. Soon we will be solving problems based on these above relations also. Come back. Anyway, here I am facing e power 0 only upon 1 minus once again e power 0 whole value. This will going to be 1 by 10 into, in the numerator, see, e power 0, replace it by 1, e power 0, replace it by 1. 1 minus 1 will give you 0 or not? Yes, sir. Upon, again 1 minus 0 will be giving 0 by 0. What is the conclusion here? Sir, here we are facing 0 by 0. 0 by 0 into 110 will give you 0 only, undoubtedly. So this form is called, we all know sir, this is indeterminate form. I cannot define it further sir. I cannot predict the answer. What I have to do in that case, again take the same function. Yes, treat the whole function as what? We have to treat the whole function is f of x, then we have to predict the value of f dash of x. So step number 2, I am predicting the value of f dash of x. See, we know what is the value of f of x? 1 by 10 into 1 minus, we have to do the differentiation separately, numerator separately, denominator separately. 1 by 10 is constant, I can just keep it out. If I will differentiate the numerator, differentiation of 1 will become 0. Now tell me what is the differentiation? Here minus is there. What is the differentiation of e power minus j5x? Already 1 by 10 is constant, in the numerator 1 will become 0 minus differentiation of e power minus j times of 5x. This will give you once again e power minus j times of 5x only, but the internal differentiation, if I will differentiate this one, this will give you one more minus j5. Similarly, in the denominator, if you observe, we have 1 minus e power minus jx. Differentiation of 1 will be 0 only, minus e power minus jx. Once again, differentiation of e power minus jx will be e power minus jx only, but internal differentiation will give you minus j. Yes sir. So what we got here, the value of f dash of x is 1 by 10 into, in the numerator I have minus into minus will become plus. So j times of 5 into e power minus j 5x upon, here in the denominator minus j5 minus, it will become plus j times of e power minus jx, minus jj will get cancelled here. Observe it, focus, that is focus it properly, jj will get cancelled. Now it's time to explore the answer. Let us substitute the limit x is approaching to 0, but now we are keeping our attention with the f dash of x. What can be the expected answer now? If I am trying to write the answer for this, it will become 1 upon 10 into 5 into e power, once again see, I am replacing x by 0, then this whole term will become 0, e power 0 upon, in the denominator also it is going to be e power 0 only. E power 0 equal to 1, e power 0 equal to 1, 1 by 1, 1 only. There will be one more 5, yes sir. So finally it will become 5 by 10, or I can say it will be 1 by 2, or we can say this will be equal to 0.5. That is the correct answer. Yes or no? Yes sir. In the same way, now I am asking you, so far we are looking into only indeterminate forms. You know, there are some questions that is also being asked in the examination, but you people are having some confusions. What they will do is, in order to confuse you all, they will give you the direct questions. Direct question means the question will not be in indeterminate form, but when you are observing the question, it might be looking like it is in indeterminate form. So what do you have to do? You have to avoid the confusion. Always be conscious while solving the problem, whether it is in indeterminate form or not. Let us see, I am giving you one question now. See, let us take the next question. What given is, limit x is approaching to infinity, and they told 1 minus a power 4 upon, simply what is the value of x power 4. This is the question. Now tell me, what is the correct answer for this question? How many of you are predicting the correct answer for this question? Let us see. So the solution for this question is, simply I am saying, what is the correct answer for this question? What can be the expected correct answer for this question? Can you please guess it? How many of you are guessing the answer? Let us see. See, what will happen is, I am taking the same function, limit x is approaching to infinity, yes sir, 1 minus, it is a power 4, a means here it is constant. Why it is constant? Because here we are keeping our attention with the x, not with the a. So where is x? In the denominator we have x. Replace x by infinity. Don't touch a, because they haven't given any data about a. So simply, so you can treat that a is constant or some other value, and you can replace x by infinity. What is the value of infinity power 4? Anybody? The value of infinity power 4 will be once again infinity only, sir. So if it is infinity power 4 will be once again infinity, then I can say, I can write 1 by infinity into 1 minus a power 4 like this. Yes sir. What is the value of 1 by infinity? 0. We know it is finite. I told a is a finite value. It is a constant. They haven't given any value. Constant means it is finite. So this whole value is finite. 0 into finite, what you will be getting? It is always equal to 0 only. So what is the correct answer for this question? Simply you can write the answer for this question, sir, that is 0 only. In the same way, now I am giving one more homework question, just to try. So always keep your attention with the question whether it is in indeterminate form or not. Sometimes they will be giving you this kind of smart questions, n upon square root of n power 2 plus n. Now the question is, what is the resultant answer for this question? Take this question as the homework question. Try it once. Okay. I hope you all loving the lectures. Just click that like button such that more people will get the benefits, because when you are clicking the like button, it means that algorithm, our YouTube algorithm, will be guessing that these lectures are really very good and it will be helping a lot of students. So such that automatically it will be sharing all our engineering students. So we are making this lecture in order to make the exams as simple as possible, such that you will be able to get all the jobs in as easy possible way as possible, right? Okay, fine. So this is all for this lecture. Remaining things we will see in the next class. Thank you all.